Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So day 2 है ना ये day 3 है.
Day 3, but
हाँ, day 3 in Goa, and today is the day going back to Kodal as well. So now we are going to the pool. Hriday wants to go to the pool. I am hungry. I'm going to hit the buffet to eat. And after that, we're planning to go a few places here and go. Baby wants to do a shopping as well, so let's get that done too. And from there, heading over to Kudal. So बघू आजचा दिवस कसा जातो. Looking at the empty pool now, and I've decided to go for a swim. First I thought I'll go and have breakfast, but then seeing this empty pool, I thought let me also go, and nice heat coming in. So luckily I wore my swim trunk, so I'll dive into the pool now. Completely empty, so why not? So I'll have my breakfast later on with the baby only. The thing is, I was very hungry, but then if I swim and then go to eat, it'll be a total money's worth. Yay!
इथे आली हृदयची वॉटर ट्यूब घ्यायला आणि ही लोक दोघं खाली स्विमिंग करतायत. बेबी हृदय बेबी से हाय. हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? I don't want to come to the pool. Dada, help him to sit on that.
What is happening? Don't move your hands and legs so much.
Take.
I'm putting you in there.
No, he's not doing anything. Relax.
Just putting you in that.
Sit. Yeah. Leave that, you will float.
Anything. You do now whatever you want. You just do whatever you want now.
Go behind, Hriday. No, put your hands like that. Yeah, then you'll float. Don't move, otherwise you'll fall.
Don't get the floor.
It's okay.
No.
I have no idea what they are doing, but it's just fun to watch them. I'm happy. Are you wearing a float? Nothing will happen to you. Not trust only. Oh!
I'm 2 minutes trying to do this one to you. Nice, no? That is called a somersault. Good? What? You know what you did, no? So this is sausages, carrot, salami, lettuce mixed in olive oil, followed by Hriday sunny side up. I went today for what क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Burji. Baby is gone for total Indian. Puri bhaji and pakoda. And then you have these mint sandwiches, chutney sandwiches. Really tasty. No, baby? It's here, get it. Or take from here, no, later on.
You want to drink something?
I need tea. So it's time for us to check out. Obviously, again, feeling sad. Wanted to stay for more days in Goa. But maybe next time we'll extend our stay now since we know what to do and everything. Baby wants to do our shopping. So we check out and we go straight to shopping. They've been calling us.
Yes. Oh, okay. I'll remove it. The room is on D&D. He's standing outside.
It was on D&D, so he couldn't ring the. Should have at least knocked, no? But they don't. That's how they work. Any other bags on you, baby? Yeah, that's it. Hriday, take your things and go, please. Our car is down here, so don't keep it inside.
Yeah.
Come.
Excited with this water tube.
At least I will play over there. And so guys, before you leave the hotel room, make sure you check all the drawers, all the cupboards. There is a tendency of leaving things here and there. So before you go, just again do a walkthrough of the entire room and then only leave, because last time we had an incident. Baby would want to share that incident. Where are you, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, what incident was it?
Last time we came to Goa, you forgot my sandals.
I forgot the sandals. Her sandals I forgot. Wow, just remember. I love the way they all blame it on men. Like, because of you, we
Because you
lost
were
it.
the one who was checking things, no?
Oh wow, okay, again, so the blame comes on the man. That's why, like, all the men watching this vlog, please make sure you see everything. Don't even assign the work to these ladies. We'll only see everything. Chalo, done. Let's leave. And they will just sit and sip juices and we are the ones who are going to see everything. ऐसा ही है. चलो, let's go.
Are you going to carry these like that? Not funny. Hold this 1 second. Chal, leave. You look like a joker. Put this in the car.
1 minute. Give him the stand and you hold that now.
Okay.
Go, chalo, let's go.
My juice. Thank you. We have to give this, no?
It looks like we are going to the beach. My tattoo looks good.
So that's mine.
Mine's better than yours. I wanted Hriday also to have a tattoo. Yeah, because of school. I'll just go and do all the. You have to give the card. Give. Our car is right here at the entrance. So something good. Thank you. I'll just give the card to them back. Had a pleasant stay. Hello.
Checking out, sir.
Checking out, yeah. 317. Yeah.
So everything is clear, so just allow me 2 minutes. So
No problem, no. Take your time, no problem. No
Just
problem.
make yourself comfortable.
Yeah, yeah. So they've asked us to wait for 2 minutes. Obviously, they also need to do their checkings, you know, just to see whether the room is in a good condition or have I used anything from their, mini bar and, you know, their refrigerator. So they have to do their checks. This is good map of Goa. I should be taking this. Can I take this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I wanted a map of Goa. Let's see how big is this. In and around. Can I get this tomorrow either? Baga. Wow. Okay. So I took 5. Check. Taking this after our trip ends. But still I can use it on my road trip. All done? Right? So thank you. So everything done. We didn't go for any in-house dining, so you know it's much more faster. Baby, see what I got. Showing them these.
Huh?
These are maps in Goa. After the trip, we are checking it out. They can read all these now.
They should have given us book, no?
No, it was that side. I went and I saw it. So we are back in our car. Don't want to leave Goa, no? Kya hi bol? Now we're leaving this property and now we are going and finding some places
Back
to shop.
our own property.
Yeah, first you are going to shop. That is an important thing. And उसके बाद yeah for mama. And then from there देखेंगे अभी हम लोग ने कुछ plan किया नहीं अभी तक. Whatever happen right now will be impromptu, but one thing is for sure, shopping करना है. That's it. ठीक है. And we also wanted to buy some alcohol, but problem is there are a lot of restrictions coming in from Maharashtra government. And I spoke to a few staff members and they are like, अगर पकड़े गए तो problem है, नहीं पकड़े गए तो नो प्रॉब्लम है. मैंने बोला ये डायलॉग तो हर लोग मारते ही है, कुछ नया बोलो. So he's like, the thing is Maharashtra government has sent a diktat of not allowing any alcohol from Goa into Maharashtra, and even if it's one bottle you're going to get fined. So now the other option is maybe.
And this alcohol was not for us. We
हाँ.
have people, friends calling us, ये लेके आओ, वो लेके
हाँ.
आओ.
So
for them, कि sorry, we are equally. We wanted to get, but we are equally feeling bad. As y'all when y'all get to know that we are not able
to get it. Chalo, we'll go and check out some places to shop.
सो आता मी जाणार आहे इकडे ह्या स्टॉल्समध्ये सगळं चेकआउट करायला. रिच गाडीतच आहे बिकॉज त्याला पार्किंग नाही भेटणार. लेट्स सी व्हॉट ऑल आय कॅन बाय नाव. So I got all these things. बोलो आपका नाम बताओ.
सोनिया.
सोनिया. आपका किधर है ये दुकान?
इधर बागा में.
बागा में. और ये सब आपने किया है बाल में?
ये है बंजारा.
बंजारा.
अभी
Baby is busy in her shopping. Let's see what she's buying. ये क्यूट सी। अरे एक तो कुत्ता पेट हो जाए इधर। ओह नाइस। मेरे साइज का कुछ मिलेगा क्या?
हाँ आपका साइज का
हाँ
This one will be okay for boys.
वाइट वाइट।
White में है? देखो. Like ना? Tall also ना?
हाँ
देखो वाइट में
should I give her a call and ask? अरे देवा काय करतोस तू? तुझा बटन कुठे? तू कुठे?
उदय,
What रे
unbutton
रे?
करून बघते.
You put it wrong.
What is?
All these buttons are wrong. Again. हुजूर करने दो। सीख रहे हो अभी, सीखने दो।
ये plain नहीं है सिर्फ इसके
Come on, you can do it. Cartoon. The baby has done a lot of shopping, so obviously I couldn't go with her because of the car parking issues. So now she's going to show us what she's got.
This is a similar black dress that I got for our dearest friend because she saw me in the photos and she's like, if you could get, please get one. So this is for her.
So this price we won't tell you because that's a gift.
Yeah.
But we'll tell you the other
Then
things.
we got these 2 cord sets for Hriday and he was, how much did he say?
He said
600.
450
450
for
for
one. हाँ.
But हम लोग
तो हम लोग को 600 में for 2.
लिया.
हाँ. So that is coming up to 300 rupees per set.
And this I got anklet. Wait, I'll show you.
Wait, I'll take it up closer.
Colorful.
ऐसे कैसे करते हैं लोग ऐसा? ऐसे ही करते हैं ना when they do all that. And I hope you can see. Yeah, for here you can see clearly. निकाल के
This
दे
is
दो
for
कर. This is for free, yes. ठीक है.
That I asked him, मैंने कितना भी लिया तो ये दे, एक एंकलेट दो.
हाँ.
I told him ये वाला चाहिए, so he gave this. And then, हाँ, now ये लेने के लिए तो you were there, no? मतलब.
हाँ मतलब I was like close by.
ये मैंने जो लिया वो you don't know. So I got 2 bags, one for me and one for mummy.
I'll show it. See. We are showing it to you right now only, and later on वो जाएगा तो मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा. That's why showing it to you in the car.
Yeah, so this is a bit darker color and I got one more जो थोड़ा और light shade में.
Show again the difference. I mean ये light. I'm holding light and baby is holding the darker one.
This is for,
Give it to Hriday behind. Keep it behind.
yeah, this is for me and mummy. Then this is something. So this is made
What's the
up
cost of that?
coconut. I'll tell
अच्छा.
all the price together. ये कोकोनट से बना है ये you can show. जो
Okay.
कोकोनट शेल होता है ना
Oh.
उसको पॉलिश करके it's made. So these also I got 2 of them, one for Preeti and one for Anu. And दोनों तू हे घे म्हणून मी 2 सिमिलर आणले की एक ती घे आणि एक अनु घे.
Smart.
And this little something for me कारण की मला हे खूप आवडलं. This bag.
Looks like masala papad.
चुप रे. It's so pretty, see?
Pretty masala papad.
And all of this is handmade.
Masala papad also.
Baby, you have to stop saying like this to my things, huh?
Hriday, you agree to what I'm saying, right?
It looks more like a plate which has masala papad.
Anyway, I will talk to them later. But
1
I
minute.
got one.
Fact is a fact. What is that to talk later about it? That's our opinion, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
So I got how many bags in all? 5, right?
Hmm.
1, those 2,
Two.
and those 2, 5 at 2,300 rupees.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. And she was, of course,
In-
first when I went, she said कि वो एक bag है for 1,500. I was like, I will tell you what all I want and उसके बाद you tell me the total amount and I will give you my price. तो actually ये सब flea market में it's all on bargaining. I don't know if I overpaid or not, or if I underpaid. But at the end it's just like तुम्ही bargain करा.
If you think it's overpaid, please let us know in the comment section.
Yeah, maybe it is Goa है तो I don't know. So now we are heading to Kudal and our Goa trip comes to an end. Chalo.
Then luckily we have a map
For?
for Goa.
Mm.
Just excited to show the map.
That map we'll show you once we reach in Kudal, because then I want to open that and see what exactly it is and all. And now Kudal is 1.5 hour journey from here. It will be a continuous. We won't be stopping in between because we had a heavy breakfast.
So आम्हाला मध्येच भूक लागली आहे, रादर मला भूक लागली आहे.
Yeah.
तर मी बेबीला सांगितलेलं कुठला वडापाव स्टॉल दिसला तर प्लीज थांबव.
So now we'll get some vada pav. Garam garam. किती? 4 बोलू?
4.
सारी सुक्कट चटणी आहे. घीला नको देऊ.
Thank you.
हृदय having vada pav now. अच्छा है रे.
अच्छा.
It's very smooth ride here. Drive. Ride बोल रहा हूँ.
Though we met some.
So I'll tell you what happened. So we had an experience with a road rage. So what happened was, beside the bridge there's a service road, and that service road is just one lane. Only one vehicle can pass, and that lane was a huge or a long one. So we were cruising at the speed of 50 km per hour, which was a decent speed. Came behind us that very car. They started honking, and they started honking like mad. I was wondering what happened. Was it like an emergency or something? But I had no other option. I couldn't like let them pass or anything because it was one lane. If I stop, then how will they go? It's not easy to pass. So I was wondering what's happening, and they started honking like crazy, and they were honking for good 5 minutes. So I was like कि बोलिए भी सुनना पड़ेगा ना.
गरम है ना. Those idiots don't deserve कि we miss out on our गरम वड़ा पाव.
I was wondering क्या चल रहा है, and I'm going at a decent speed. 50 is good on a service road. They were like, "Chod, let me go fast. And when I get a space, let them overtake me." Went ahead. They took it in their ego, like how am I speeding and not letting them go. And I saw the number plate, it was GA. That means you're localite. We don't get involved in all this nonsense. But honestly, there was no route to give them any space to, just to overtake me. It's not possible. And then when I got a space, that's when the flyover started. I mean, we could join the highway, and then once you join highway, you have 3-4 lanes. So we joined the highway, and I gave them space to overtake me. I thought they will go off. They were honking like mad and crazy and all that stuff. I thought, chal dun jayenge. They overtook us, and they came right in front of our car, and they slowed down on a highway. Now they're slowing down to 20. वो टशन करते ना, टशन चुल उन लोग को था. Now in such cases, I am very calm. I also slowed down, but I didn't try to overtake them. Otherwise, usually what happens is, तू भी left मारे तो मैं भी left मारेगा, and that is what they were trying to do, and that is what they were doing. And then suddenly, I'm seeing, I'm seeing a girl showing a middle finger, and I'm like, now what's happening in this? And not even the driver. If the driver showing would make a bit sense, but the person sitting on the back showing middle finger, I was like, these people want to do some touch and everything. But they didn't know that our camera also was on. That's how it is.
Such fattus, I tell you, such fattus. The minute they saw the camera, they ran away.
We went off. ऐसा ही होता है, इन लोगों को ऐसा ही करने का. And when if I was wrong, I would have not said anything. But when I'm right, I'm not doing any damn thing, and there's literally no space to give you to go and overtake me. तो इतना ego में बैठा है. The moment we turned on the camera or we showed them that you are recording them, they ran. Cowards. That's the word. I know you have seen our vlog. You have seen you have read our names, and you will watch this vlog for sure. But you are cowards, I tell you all. That's why it says road rage. Stay calm. That's it. Or kuch nahi. If they are trying to do something, don't try to.
Yeah, it's safety first. We are safe. आगे
Yeah.
वाले को पीछे वाले को जो करना है करो.
करने दो, correct. Guys, we are just 10 minutes away from our house. So since we are coming, we thought of buying a vada pav for everybody. And I just thought it's a vada pav day. That time also vada pav. Now again we are buying vada pav. So we have placed an order for 30 vada pavs. So you know that many people. So it's kam hona nahi chahiye. That is how it is. So
But actually वो इतना सही वड़ा पाव मिलता है.
it's basically like golgappa.
So it's fine.
हाँ. Yeah, because we went to two places first and foremost. We like हम लोग को. So usually if you give an order of 30 vada pavs in any place in Mumbai, they'll be like, हाँ करेंगे रुको. Yeah, we went to one lady. हो गया आज का 60 का ऑर्डर मिला है, मेरा बस हो गया. आगे चलो, उधर पूछो. I'm like what? And then
But you know, this is the difference that I have seen. कि आपण मुंबई मध्ये राहतो ना, तर वी हॅव दॅट ॲटिट्यूड ऑफ हसलिंग.
हाँ
वी हैव मतलब एक एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है लाइफ का कि हमें ये चीज करनी है. ओवर हियर ना पीपल आर हैप्पी इन छोटू चीज ऑल्सो. दे आर वेरी हैप्पी एंड कंटेंट.
हाँ because see
दे आर
when
कंटेंट.
in my mind
तो सब लोग होते
हाँ.
हैं. मतलब दे आर कंटेंट विथ वॉट एवर दे ईट. 2 टाइम का खाना विथ वॉट एवर दे आर वेयरिंग.
Correct.
मतलब दैट्स व्हाई होता है ना लाइफस्टाइल. क्या बोलते हैं बेबी उसको?
लाइफस्टाइल ही बोलते हैं. रेंसेन
स्टँडर्ड ऑफ लिव्हिंग.
स्टँडर्ड ऑफ लिव्हिंग.
बॉम्बे मध्ये खरोखर खूप खर्च होतो. बट इकडे
No,
it's like
because see now
minimal.
as a commerce student, the moment she's like, नहीं मेरा 60 का ऑर्डर हो गया, आज खत्म हो गया आज का दिन.
I'm
So
done.
I'm like 60 vada pav. Near one vada pav cost $10. 60 vada pav into 10, $600 a day. They're happy. अरे माँ कसम के.
मुंबई में जाओगे तो इट्स लाइक 12 बजे तक भी वड़ा पाव वाले रहते कि हाँ चाहिए.
हाँ ये लो. And this is like
बिकॉज उधर खर्चा उतना है तो पीपल आर ऑलवेज हसलिंग.
हाँ. And then somehow we found another person who was he also was counting यार करो कि नहीं करो. Then he's like हाँ ठीक है चलो करते हैं. So now we have placed in the order. Obviously it'll take 50 minutes. They don't keep it ready.
इट्स
अभी
जस्ट
बनाएगा.
5:50 ना.
Yeah.
असं पण नाही की आम्ही लेट जातोय. इट्स जस्ट 5:15 वाजलेत एंड पीपल आर डन बिकॉज इधर सब लोग 7 बजे तक खा पी के सो भी
सो भी
जाते
जाते हैं. Correct. Should I go and take the video of him making the vada pav or नहीं छोड़. तुम लोग को पता है ना वड़ा पाव कैसे बनता है. So I'm not going to show the vlog. But when I go and collect, I'll just show you a snippet of the same. तुम्हें इतना से आता का?
हाँ.
He's making the vada pavs for us. 10 are done already. The remaining one. Yeah, garam is the best. चाय पण आहे का?
हाँ.
एक चाय दिया ना. एक चाय दिया. Baby. Would you like to have tea? Hriday, would you like to have tea? Huh? No, he said that's okay.
ठीक है.
Yeah, thank you. As vada pav nahi, let me have my chai.
हा बघितलंस ना बोल. हा आई शपथ. डोना गोल लोक विचारतो बरोबर.
कितना साल से बना रहे हो अभी ये?
ये अभी 4 साल हो गए.
4 साल अच्छा.
लॉकडाउन में चालू किया.
अच्छा लॉकडाउन में चालू किया क्या? सब एक्चुअली लॉकडाउन में ही चालू होता है.
नहीं तो मंडप था,
हाँ
लाइटिंग था.
अच्छा वो भी करते हो क्या? ओह. अभी तो शादी का सीजन नहीं है ना, पर अभी बट गणपति में तो मंडप तो लगता है ना.
लेकिन इधर क्या घर में है ना सब.
हाँ वो भी है.
घर में है इसकी वजह से कोई है नहीं इधर.
So we have asked him to put 20 vadas in one and remaining 10 in the other. So all 20 in one.
हे 20 आहेत
हाँ
आणि हे दोन्ही 10 आहेत.
ये दोन
पाव
दाल
अलग
है
दिले
ना?
आहेत.
ठीक थैंक यू.
Back home.
Yeah we reached.
Hi.
कशी झाली ट्रिप तुमची?
खूप छान.
हा कशी झाली ट्रिप?
मेरा टैटू देख.
हाय आय गोवा स्पेशल. अरे बापरे.
हेलो वन में कार्टून. ये सब बड़ा पाव दे रही है ना. हृदय ये हम लोग का बड़ा पाव. हृदय ठीक है.
ये
हम लोग के लिए.
हे आपला करलं पायाला
हा. कसं आहे?
काय बटरफ्लाय. तो राहणार की जाणार?
राहणार.
कसं ते हे करतात त्याने केला.
सिरिंजनी.
अच्छा
नाही हो जाणार. मम्मीला नका सांगा. उनका शक्ल देखा क्या मैंने सेड ऐसे ही रहेगा. अभी मम्मीला नको. तिथे दरवाजा तर बंद कर.
दोन्ही दरवाजे खुले आहे.
चल मम्मी को बोलते हैं. मम्मी कुठे?
अभी तो बात किया. That close. Wait, don't close that.
मम्मी 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 कुठे? ये इथे. हा हो. कुठे राहिली?
कैसा था?
तीन घंटा इसमें ही गया. स्वेलिंग थोड़ा बहुत कम हो गया.
काय माहिती काहीतरी
मेरा तो इसका देखा क्या?
टॅटू आहे बघ.
बटरफ्लाई.
मम्मा छोटा दादा
आणि हे बघितलं माझं.
या व्हॉट इज
छपरी है ना. तू असंच बोलली ना हे काय छपरी सारखं.
मैं बोलले मैंने बात की ऐसा अभी कुछ.
अच्छा मम्मी टॅटू परमनंट नाही आहे, टेम्पररी आहे.
मैं क्या दुखता उगता है क्या कुछ भी बॉडी में करके.
Now we are going down to give the vada pav to the family members. इधर चलने में मेरा दम घुटता है. नहीं दम क्या बोलते हैं? दम व्हाट डू यू से? टायर्ड. दमलो. मी दमतो. ये क्लीन किया है क्या इधर? हाँ. ये भी केयरफुल है. रिक्शा एंड कार आर कमिंग. Hi. Wanted to go and meet this fellow also. मी येतो. हेलो 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 ए कार्टून ए कार्टून Give Urvi. Tell her this is for you. Is your taking in sword?
उर्वी घे बाबू. हे उर्वी घे ते. थँक्यू.
Because she was thinking. Because she was thinking.
ते आता हात धुवून जा. नाव यू गो अँड क्लीन युअर हँड बिफोर.
कैसा है कृष्णा? Give.
ब्लॉक कशाला बनवतं त्याचं पण ब्लॉक करतोय वडापावचा
मी सगळ्याचा ब्लॉक करतो सगळ्याचा ब्लॉक करतो अरे दूर जा ते खा रहे दैट इज द रीजन
उसको पकड़ने बोलता है. पकड़.
चल
Go na ahead.
not allowing me to touch it.
उसको भी पता है तू उसके लिए हानिकारक है.
क्या है?
Oh, looks good, lovely.
You taste and tell me how it is. 2 pieces are giving. More we'll eat when we'll have dinner. Give Dada and give both.
You eat
You
first.
want more? Tell me.
You eat first. Come on. That's hot. It's hot. So today, mummy has made for us chicken fry, and इसमें क्या है डैडी?
ये राइस, चिकन राइस.
क्या बात कर चिकन राइस है? अरे एक नंबर चिकन राइस एंड चिकन फ्राई एंड सैलेड एंड आलू वडे. ओ लवली. मजा आएगा खाने में.
मी जेव्हा घरी बोलते खाली बस मांडी घालून तर नाही बसत.
चिकन
हा.
राईस आहे आणि चिकन फ्राय आहे. मी बसणार आणि खाणार. You want more baby?
नो नो थँक्स.
And side is the दोन तुकडे होते कढीचे. इकडे आले माझ्याकडे. हां. असं द्यायचं.
आज मम्मी स्पेशल.
And what? That's it. तो ज़्यादा हुआ. हाँ बस.
Too good. मजा आएगा.
मम्मी
मम्मी के साथ कैसे लग रहा है चिकन?
बाबू कसे आहे?
Amazing.
पप्पा कसे आहे?
छान आहे.
टॅटू बघ.
पैटर्न ये सेम ही है.
गोवाची भेट.
आता बस. बघू काय. खाली किती? Let us see. काय आणलं?
4च वस्तू आणते. ही एक बॅग आहे आणि ही एक बॅग आहे.
वाव.
फ्लॅश ऑन कर ना बघू.
ह्या कोणासाठी?
हा दोघं आपल्यासाठी आहे. तुला एक घे मला एक घे.
बाबू बघा मम्माने काय आणलं बघ.
आणि हे प्रीती आणून ना दोघांना सेम आणलं नाही तर तू हे घे मी हे घे.
भांडणं.
शेलचं आहे.
अरे वा अरे छान आहे
बघा
बघा.
पप्पा इकडे या.
आणि त्याला किती ग्लेज पण छान दिले पॉलिश केले
आपलं शेल असतं ना कोकोनटचं करटी
करवंटीचं
करवंटी.
किती छान आहे
पॉलिश
मस्त दिसतं.
छान आहे.
आणि ही एक बॅग माझ्यासाठी आहे. छान आहे ना?
मसाला पापड.
बोलतो मसाला पापड.
आय फील दिजा हे मला ना अंडी खूप अंडी वाटत
छान.
छोटी छोटी ती याची असतात ना
पालीची.
पालीची नाही हो.
We should make मम्मी एंड डैडी टेस्ट काबो. कोकोनट का ही बना है कुछ ये नहीं है.
क्या
काबो.
दिस इज गुड यार नाइस.
बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट्स आम्ही आपल्या हँडीक्राफ्टचा पण सपोर्ट करतो ना, लोकलला.
Go local.
काय बोलतात ना, काय सगळं मोदीचं ते डायलॉग काय,
गो लोकलच ना,
गो लोकल आणि मेड इन इंडिया.
मेड इन इंडिया.
आत्मनिर्भर
आत्मनिर्भर भारत.
भारत. हा.
हस्तकला आत्मनिर्भर.
आणि छोट्या छोट्या जे आपण
छान आहे.
Now you can play frisbee with it. Hriday, when you're bored, you can take that and play as frisbee. This is good. Yeah.
Yes, and when we go to the beach,
We can, yes.
Yes.
कोणतंही
Maybe show your frisbee.
असं नाही, त्याला पण
फ्रीजला ना पैसे डालचे डाल, फ्रिस्बी ना डाल, पैसा डाल, डाल.
Hriday, go get that coins from there.
कॉइन नहीं, नोट चाहिए मुझे.
Note नहीं है
चेक
मेरे
भी
पास.
चलेगा.
मेरे पास note नहीं है. See what Hriday is putting.
आई डोंट वांट मिठाई विठाई.
मम्मीच्या पर्समध्ये ठेवला.
देखा,
या.
डैडी देंगे, मेरे को पता है. ए दे पे क्या विचार.
तो
हृदय.
बाबा पप्पांची लाडो आहे ना तू.
हो.
लाडो
डाला नहीं डाला उसने.
हो बघा, एकच टाकलं
दे
तर
ना.
सगळे टाकायला.
सगळे दे, सगळे दे.
Hriday, put it. Come on.
हा, व्हेरी गुड.
You give.
क्या दियो मैं. डालना तेरा मोबाइल है मैं.
It's auspicious to keep something in the new
ये ले
purse.
गाड़ी का चाबी रख.
मतलब गाड़ी मेरा.
तेरा ही गाड़ी तो तेरा ही है. तू सेठानी. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. You saw mommy's reaction to the bag. It was obviously the next day because we were tired of obviously. I
काल
mean,
आम्ही आलो
हा.
गोव्यावरनं आणि ऑनेस्टली माझं तर अंग दुखत होतं बिकॉज ते बेडचे ते एवढे सॉफ्ट असतात गाद्या.
हा, हॉटेलचे बेड.
मी त्याच्यावरती ना झोपू शकत
Not used to it. Correct. It's too soft.
या.
हा.
आणि टुडे वी कुडंट शूट मच. आम्ही फक्त सकाळी मम्मीला बॅग्स दिल्या आणि आज आम्ही संध्याकाळी फिरायला गेलो.
So that video we are not sharing in this vlog. It's because I want to make a completely different video out of it. It's a hidden gem of Konkan. Remember that
And beautiful.
and beautiful, and you'll be surprised that such a place exists. So that's going to be in a completely different video. It will not be a vlog, it will be a different video. So you'll have to check that for it. But believe me, beautiful place, beautiful, really beautiful. You will enjoy it for sure if you're coming around this side.
आणि आज सकाळी म्हणजे आता जे येणारी सकाळ आहे पहाटे, आम्ही निघतोय फायनली घरी
जायला. आमचं चार्ली कोकोला भेटायला.
हा, त्याची खुशी आहे.
येस.
पण आमची ही ट्रिप इथेच
संपते आहे. येस.
आणि आम्ही पुढच्या वर्षी ट्राय करू परत यायचं.
येस.
सो असा होता आजचा हा आमचा दिवस.
हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.